Hello again, everyone. Today I've got some branch cutting to do on this apple tree. I have 2 horses and I have to dump and get rid of their horse manure every day, twice a day. And the path I'm on right now, I throw it on the back of my quad in my big bucket. I bring it out here and I dump it. And the problem I have is when I drive around here on the back of our orchard to dump it and spread it out, there's this one branch that is constantly in my way, hits me in the face every day. I've been ignoring it for about 2 months now, and today's the day that we're going to cut it and get rid of it. That is the offender right there. I try to drive through here and it's always right there. So I'm going to take it off way here at the base. Couple of them, it looks like. Break him off. That was a great blue heron you just heard, if you're wondering. Okay. And that is a branch that is out of my way now. Now I just have to drag it to where it's not in my way anymore. You might be wondering why this guy has gloves on. Is he some sort of a sissy or something? The answer is no. But I do have an uncanny ability to find poison ivy wherever it's at. And I'm not digging that. So I'm going to drag this branch over here. Now I have a clearer path. Let's see if there's anything else in here that I need to cut out. There's some dead stuff up here. I'll pull on it and see if that'll break off. Oh yeah. I'll get rid of him too. there. Now I can drive it around there. No fuss, no muss, no branches in the face. All right, see you next time, everybody.